Visa and Mastercard are the unseen toll collectors of the digital age, making billions from tiny fees. Every transaction, no matter how small, generates a minuscule fee that adds up to massive profits. The payment rails they've built are the backbone of modern commerce, facilitating trillions of dollars in transactions. Merchants pay a small percentage of each sale to use the Visa and Mastercard networks, a cost they often pass on to consumers. These fees may seem insignificant, but they're the lifeblood of the payment industry, generating enormous revenue. Network effects are key to their success. As more merchants and consumers join, the value of the network increases exponentially. The more people using the network, the more valuable it becomes, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of growth. Global transaction volume is staggering, with millions of payments processed every second, each generating a tiny fee. Data centers around the world hum with activity, processing transactions and collecting fees with lightning speed and accuracy. Startup teams whiteboard strategies to disrupt the payment industry, but Visa and Mastercard's dominance is hard to challenge. Credit card companies issue cards bearing the Visa and Mastercard logos, paying a fee to use the network. Merchants use payment terminals to process transactions, paying a fee for each sale, a cost they often factor into prices. Consumers rarely notice the fees, but they're built into the cost of goods and services, a hidden tax on every purchase. Bank apps and online payment systems make it easy to pay, but each transaction generates a fee, a small price for convenience. Server racks in data centers store and process transaction data, the backbone of the payment industry's infrastructure. Software engineers work tirelessly to maintain and improve the payment networks, ensuring seamless transactions and maximum uptime. GPU server racks process complex transactions, enabling fast and secure payments, a critical component of the payment ecosystem. The payment industry is a complex web of fees and networks, but at its core, it's a simple toll road, collecting a small fee for each transaction. Visa and Mastercard's business model is built on these tiny fees, generating enormous revenue from the sheer volume of transactions. The network effects are so strong that it's difficult for new entrants to challenge their dominance, a classic example of a winner-takes-all market. Regulatory environments and security concerns are always a challenge, but the payment industry has adapted, implementing robust security measures. New technologies like contactless payments and blockchain are emerging, but Visa and Mastercard are well positioned to adapt and evolve. The future of payments is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the companies that control the payment rails will continue to collect their tolls. Visa and Mastercard's payment empire is a testament to the power of network effects and the importance of controlling the payment rails. Their business model is a masterclass in creating a self-reinforcing cycle of growth, where more users and merchants create more value. The payment industry is a complex and fascinating world, full of hidden fees and network effects, but at its core, it's a simple story of toll collection. Every time you swipe your card, remember the tiny toll that's collected, a small price for the convenience of modern commerce. The payment industry's infrastructure is a marvel of modern technology, a complex web of data centers, server racks, and software engineers. Visa and Mastercard's dominance is a result of their early mover advantage, strategic partnerships, and continuous innovation. Their payment networks are a critical component of modern commerce, facilitating trillions of dollars in transactions every year. The fees they collect may seem insignificant, but they add up to massive profits, a testament to the power of network effects. The payment industry is a high-stakes game, with billions of dollars in revenue at play, but Visa and Mastercard are well positioned to maintain their lead. New entrants and disruptors will emerge, but the payment industry's barriers to entry are high, making it difficult to challenge the incumbents. The future of payments is exciting and uncertain, but one thing is clear: the companies that control the payment rails will continue to thrive. Visa and Mastercard's payment empire is a remarkable story of innovation, strategy, and network effects, a true marvel of modern commerce. Their business model is a masterclass in creating value, a testament to the power of controlling the payment rails and collecting tiny fees. Every transaction, no matter how small, generates a minuscule fee that adds up to massive profits, a simple yet powerful business model. The payment industry is a complex and fascinating world, full of hidden fees and network effects, but at its core, it's a simple story of toll collection and value creation. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.